Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a USB-C PD 3.0 charger. So this here is going to give us the ability to just charge all sorts of devices on it simultaneously. So let's see what we got in here, and I'll show you what we're talking about. It will make more sense, hopefully, as I show you. Leave it down here. Okay, we have the plug. And then we have the device. So, the way this works is, so it says 500 watts. So we'll do a 500 watts worth of charging. Okay, so we have our, or whatever this is, the pluggy thing there. And then we'll just have all these different ports on there. And so we'll be able to connect up, let's see, we have USB 60 watts, 2 of those, 4 of those. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB-Cs, 2 of them are 100 watts. And then the other 4 are 30 watts. So that's what those all are there. And so the way it'll be is you'll just have your devices in there, like an iPad, a phone, whatever. And then you just run the cords. Do I have any cords? I don't think I have any cords right here. I do not. But the way it will work is you'll just run the cords between the different devices. You can put your laptops in there because those are nice and wide. And just run the cords right from the device into there, right there. So this will give you the ability to have all your devices all charging right there. So I can put my laptops in there and everything else. So super cool. Great little idea, and it's cool. Also, I'll show you what it looks like with a laptop in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. I have a couple of thin laptops here. This one here is Mogar, so they would probably go in the little thin sections. But, and it's my MacBook Air. It's actually charging right now. I have the wire going. It's a really long wire right now, but it goes there, and I have it in a small section too. Probably put some other spacers in there to put other things in there, but I've got 2 laptops now, a phone somewhere here, a phone, and an iPad. So it can just be charging all sorts of stuff. It's a nice little organizer to charge everything. So I'm gonna say I like it. Thumbs up.